Hi everyone, welcome back to the Visual Builder Cloud Service online course. So in this lecture, we are going to look at how to use Q parameters to filter data from the business objects. So this is one of the most common requirement wherein you need to filter data based on a single variable, and you wanted to look at the value which you enter in the filter text from all the columns you have in your business object. So let's have a look how to use Q parameter of a business object to filter the data. So for this, let me just log in into my Visual Builder, and here I will extend the same application. And first I will create a flow here, click on a plus button, and here I will say Q parameter. Click on a create button. Okay. So here on this page, what I'm going to do, I am going to drop a table component. Let the page to be loaded. Table component, and I will bind this table from my business object, which is employee. Next, and here I wanted to take first name, last name, and then age. Next, and then finish. Now here you will see the data has been loaded. The first name, last name, and then age. So what I wanted to give a input text here and a search button. Whenever you will enter a value here and click on a search button, the values which are there will be filtered out. Let's suppose you are entering Ankur, and it will take the Ankur from the input text and will search the Ankur from all the columns. Wherever it will find, it will simply filter out the result. So let's have a look. So I'm going to put our input text just above this table. And I'll say search. Okay, here I'll say search. So you can simply, okay, and then give a button here. And you can say, so click here and you can see search. Okay, so here go to the variables here, and you will see employee list SDP has been created because you have bind your table with the business object. And if you click down, if you just simply use the scroll bar, and here you see we have a variable called Q. This Q will be used to filter the data. Just click here, and here you can simply take this, and here what I have done is I have taken this first name. I am just making a string here like first name like variable search value. I will create a search value variable, or last name like variable dot search value, or age variable and then search value. You can make it as an expression because search value will be a dynamic. So I will give you this expression, and you can find it under the resources as well. So I'll just create search value. So what I'm doing is I'm just making a Q parameter here, like the first name like this. So this is just like a query which we do in a database as well, and then save. So here I will create a variable and will give name as search value and then create. And I will give a default value as %, so that initially when the table will be loaded, it will load all the data. Go to the designer Click on this search and then events, register an event OJ action. Okay. Or what you can do is click on this input text. Don't take this search button. Okay. Just take an input text and then register an event here. I hope we have done something wrong. Click on an input text, a new event, and then value. Okay, input text value change. Now you just use assign variable and then assign and then value to search value. So whatever value you will enter in the search box, it will be assigned to the search value and then save it. That's it. Go to the designer and then simply like. So by default, all the data is getting loaded here. Let's try to search here. Let's enter A. Maybe something wrong. Yeah, everything is good here. You see, I just entered A, and this A is in this first row A, and this A is also there. Hence, this has been filtered out. Let's say Ankur, and then again enter. You see, Ankur has been filtered out. Let's just enter and then just say Gupta. So now your Q parameter is firing and it filtering the data. Now just you say 3, it will take the age and will filter it. You can, here you can see, now you simply say 2, and here you see 2 and then 2. So this is how you can leverage Q parameter of the business object to filter out the data from all the columns from the business object. So that's all for this lecture. If you have any question, let me know. Thanks. Bye-bye.